Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Apple CarPlay on iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the settings. Here, scroll down and tap General, and then select CarPlay. And from here, make sure that Siri is enabled because CarPlay won't work without it. Next, start your car and connect your iPhone using the Lightning cable or the Bluetooth, depending on your car's system. And then here in your iPhone, tap your car's name under available vehicles, then confirm by pairing on your car's screen. Now you'll have an access to apps like Maps, Music, Messages, Phone, and Siri for hands-free driving. If the CarPlay doesn't appear, go back to Settings and tap General and select CarPlay. Remove your car and reconnect it again. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.